Hello guys, and welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import clips into Premiere Pro. The first way to import a clip into Premiere Pro is to come over to this project panel over here where you can see import media, and you can double tap on it and it will open up this dialog window over here, and you can scroll down and select the media you want to import, or you can go to the location where you have it. For example, I can come over to videos over here or come over to pictures over here and select a picture over here and hit open to import it into Premiere Pro. And now I can drag this picture onto my timeline over here. Another way to import files in Premiere Pro is to come over here to File and scroll down over here and select Import. For example, I can go over to Documents or Videos over here and select any video I prefer over here and select a video and hit Import, and that will automatically import that video onto my timeline. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+I to pop up this dialog window over here, and you can select any file you want, or you can hold down Shift and select multiple files and hit open to import those files. And as you can see, those files has been imported over here. And that's it guys on how to import files into Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching and see you guys in my next tutorial tomorrow.